My name is Tom Miles. I am Senior Commercial Manager at Traffic Group Signals. I was employed as a depot operative, and that was 14 years ago. Probably where I am now, I'm probably at my happiest now. So in terms of the challenge of work and the feeling that we're achieving something, we're getting somewhere. So yeah, I'd say now. Yes. That's it. That's it. I'm not willing to share. Yes. Yeah. Earlier on in my highways career, I would have listened to more people sooner, because there are a lot of people talking a good amount of sense, and for some years I didn't really listen that much. I think I could have learnt a lot when the opportunity was there to learn. Not being able to say how you feel when you're in a meeting, that for me is the one. I always think you should be able to speak your mind. Try to leave the world a better place than you found. I like working, so that's I like to see maybe not instant reward, but I like to see reward fairly quickly for the effort I'm putting in. But work in general, I like working, so I like being busy. The sheer amount of people that you can meet, all sorts of different mannerisms. Not everyone's the same. Everyone's got their own sort of background. Most people don't leave school aiming for the highways industry. It's people tend to find themselves there, and it brings together a really eclectic mix of people. The layers within it, it's often difficult to get your message out there from our point of view as a supplier, when you are there are so many different layers in terms of authorities, tier ones, our customers, that kind of thing.